Hello, my name is Teacher Dan Fitz, and today I want to talk to you about the expression only if. This is a word that's related to if. If you're interested in other conditional forms related to if, watch the rest of the videos in this playlist. Also, there's a worksheet that you can print and download if you click the link, and you can fill out the worksheet while you watch the video, and it can help you take notes. So, only if is a form of if. If we think of if introduces if this condition, then we will have this result. Only if is a little bit different. It says only if this condition, then we will get this result. So we're saying this is the only condition that will have this result. Let's look at the rainy day and the baseball field. We will cancel the game only if it rains. We're saying that is the only condition that we will cancel the game. If it snows, we will have the game. If there's a tornado, we will have the game. If there is an earthquake, we'll have a game. Only if it rains, and then we will cancel the game. Let's look at another example. See the report card and the F grade. I will repeat the class only if I get an F. If I get an A, a B, or a C, I will not repeat the class. I will repeat the class only if I get an F. That's the only condition that I will repeat the class. Only if has one tricky grammar thing about it, and it's when only if comes at the beginning of the sentence. Here we can see we will cancel the game only if it rains. Only if here is in the middle of the sentence. If I switch it, it's only if it rains will we cancel the game. Do you notice anything strange about this? We could see here, will we cancel? When I have only if at the beginning of a sentence, the main clause that'll come at the end of the sentence uses question word order, which means we put the helping verb, then the subject, then the main verb, just like we do in a question. Let's look at another example. So, I will repeat the class only if I get an F. If I put only if at the beginning of the sentence, only if I get an F, will I repeat the class. Once again, the main clause at the end of the sentence follows question word order with the helping verb, then the subject, and then the main verb. In fact, there are a few other expressions that we use with only at the beginning of the sentence that follow the same pattern, where we use that question word order for the main clause. Let's look at the idea of take the bus. Only when my car is broken do I take the bus. Notice it's do I take. Helping verb, subject, main verb. How about took a shower? Notice this is past simple. Only after 2 weeks did Dan take a shower. We use did plus the subject plus the main verb. So we use question word order in the main clause when I use an expression with only at the beginning of the sentence. One more example. If we have the idea of are driving like that, and notice this is present progressive, Only on TV are people driving like that. So we have the helping verb, the subject, and then the main verb. Well, today I've talked about only if, and first I explained that only if means only in this situation. This is the only situation where this result will happen. And then I also talked about a funny thing with the word order when only if is at the beginning of the sentence. So when only if is at the beginning of the sentence, the main clause is going to follow question word order with helping verb, subject, and then main verb. And then I also talked about how that rule is good for only if, but it's also for other expressions when we put only at the beginning of a sentence, like only when or only on. I hope that helps answer some of your questions. Please watch the rest of the videos in this playlist, and please subscribe. And if you have any comments, I'm interested in your comments. You can write your comments below the video. Thank you very much, and have a great day.